Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to download apps on Hisense Xumo TV, App Store access and installation tips. You cannot manually download or install new apps on a Hisense Xumo TV because the television lacks a traditional user-accessible app store. The Xumo OS operates as a cloud-based closed ecosystem. App ecosystem on Hisense Xumo TV. Preloaded library. The television comes completely preloaded with over 250 plus top streaming app right out of the box. Automatic updates. When media companies launch new applications or services on the platform, Xumo pushes them directly to your television layout automatically. No manual updating or installations are required from the user. Quick access tip. Voice remote search. Press the microphone button on your remote control and say the name of the app. Example, Netflix or Disney Plus. The OS will immediately boot into that application or pull it up from the library. Xumo TV mobile app. You can install the official Xumo TV remote app on Apple iOS devices or through Android mobile storefronts to seamlessly search, manage, and launch existing services directly from your smartphone. How to watch missing apps. If a specific application you want to use is completely unavailable within the default Xumo library, utilize these visual workarounds. Apple AirPlay. Cast movies, videos on a streaming service from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer directly onto your screen. External hardware. Plug an external media streaming tool like an Amazon Fire Stick, Google Chromecast, or Roku streaming stick into one of your open HDMI ports. This bypasses the closed Xumo interface and lets you access alternative digital marketplaces. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.